brand new Bugatti Chiron Sport. So we're here at Ascension Coffee. We're getting ready to roll out. There's a bunch of guys with us today. We have a green Huracan, Spider, Mercedes. Love this Ferrari Pista. Whole man, love this car. A VF Engineering supercharged R8, another amazing spec. Mine, and of course everybody knows Anthony One Bad Lambo. We're getting ready to head out, go to a car show, do a little driving.
Oh, you're saying out the door?
Yeah.
I think I only was like $6 grand in Texas. So I traded in my GTR.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay, yeah. This is cool. Yeah, mine was 160. I like that carbon fiber.
I love the touch on it.
Yeah, it is. It's really amazing.
Any trade or anything? Yeah.
And
yeah,
see, this is something else I like. I can barely fit.
I know.
Ooh, look at the interior.
Everything. Yep.
All carbon fiber. How awesome is this thing? This is all exposed carbon fiber. Check that out. Exposed carbon. So amazing. So we're back here at Lava Cantina, man. I love this place. I don't come very often because it's kind of far from my house, but there's always so many amazing cars. Should be the Bugatti Chiron Sport should be here, and another Bugatti Chiron. So we're gonna get that on video, but we'll quick do a little walkthrough of the Lambo crowd, the ones that drove with me over here, and one other guy who didn't, or two other guys who didn't. But anyway, let's check out their cars. This is Richard's. I'm sure all you guys have seen his car in my videos before. And I forgot what this guy's name is, but he just got this Huracan last weekend. Nice Jag. Of course, Anthony One Bad Lambo, go follow him on Instagram. Gen X Kid, John right there talking, go follow him. It's Gen X Kid. Looks like he's losing some of his graphics on here. This is his brand new Huracan. I don't know if you guys will remember, he had the crazy wrapped Lamborghini Gallardo, and he traded it. Well, I guess he still has it, but he got rid of it. He's getting rid of it. Got the new Huracan. Of course, there's me. I forgot what this gentleman's name is. We met him a little bit ago, but there's tons of carbon fiber inside here. VF Engineering supercharged. This thing is insane. And here's Clyde's Lamborghini Huracan. Looks like bullwhips around here somewhere. Bullwhips, Huracan right here. There's Huracan Performante. He actually took the stripes off when he wrapped it. Actually, the stripes are underneath there. They're just covered up. So I brought my other Vette today, my Grand Sport. And actually I lied. This is not mine, because I don't have the supercharger. And so, and I also don't have manual. This one is also manual. I've seen this car here before. So supercharged and manual, gotta love it. I so totally regret not getting manual. I should have gotten manual. I didn't. I was stupid. I bought the Corvette with coffee and creamer. I did not get the real man's car. I will alleviate that. The next time I buy another Vette, it will be a manual. Look at that. That is my interior of my car, except several millions of dollars more. And Pagani Huayra. I believe the same guy owns these cars. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if you guys can hear, but this right here is my favorite spec McLaren 720. I love these colors. It's very, very, very light blue with orange accents. I don't know if you can see, if it'll pick it up with the specs, and the flakes in this paint is amazing. All exposed carbon fiber. One of my favorite McLarens next to Warren's, which I don't see Warren here today, but definitely wouldn't mind having a McLaren in the future. Gonna do it for today's video. I hope everybody enjoyed that Bugatti Chiron. I was supposed to go and actually film it a little bit better. However, I ended up leaving. They were gonna let the kids, you know, check it out some, and then I was gonna go and just quickly film the interior and all that. But honestly, we ended up shipping our cars to Mexico, as you will probably have seen in the video, and did some driving. And so I thought I would not go back and take the time to film the video. It's more fun driving the cars than it is just filming them. So anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this video. The next video most likely is going to be Corvette related and not supercar type content related. But anyway, hope everybody enjoyed the video. I definitely had a lot of fun today seeing all those cars. I never get sick of them. It's just kind of filming them sometimes becomes monotonous. It's the same old, same old. But it's definitely fun to go and do some driving and all that good stuff. So hope everybody has a great day. Thank you so much for watching.